Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu dah.
Iding buon pak cakasnya mah. Atrai di pentip naik kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA ka mau hati constituency ba Charles Marngar. Haka jingashin Bynta jong uban keran hayen Dorbar thawan ke jilla. Haka bede bat kamang tingka. Ulai ro ikisin jam ke baga sarkar. Klashim ling ba Chief Minister Meghalaya Grassroots Music Production. Nama ba kenig la plelat di kibon ke samla. Kibas ngotenat bat kibaid. Yakarwai ke siaw bat kaput katem. Ulong ba kenig jilla ka pau nam ha ka jingla ban pelong. Iki konsert ke behe hakari. Bat kumtau la kerpat ika sarkar bekade ben penlong ru ik Rynsan ke behe naga Bynta ki Nongrwai gospel ni ki Nongrwai nyam ban Ailad lang kiru kumju bekin yok Bynta lang bat kani ka nyarap ban nang sei shu iki samna dan sab bat kan nang prince kemru ika jinglong mensim.
Chairman sir, thank you so much for allowing me to participate in the general discussion on the budget. Firstly, Mr. Chairman sir, I would like to sincerely thank the Honorable Chief Minister for presenting such a comprehensive and forward-looking budget. It really reflects a clear vision for inclusive growth, fiscal responsibility, and the overall development to our state. Mr. Chairman sir, as per the budget presented by Honorable Chief Minister, an overall allocation of 376 crore has been made for the tourism and arts and culture sector. I am pleased to note that this represents a 57% increase from the previous year. This demonstrates the government's commitment to strengthening these important sectors. Through you, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to remind this August House that during the last session, I had emphasized the importance of preserving and promoting our rich traditions and culture heritage. Meghalaya is blessed with diverse custom, music, arts forms, and indigenous practice that defines our identity. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, sir, I humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister to consider allocating a share of this enhanced budget to the arts and culture sector. Such an allocation will empower the department to take stronger initiative toward preserving, promoting, and sustaining our tradition for future generations. As I mentioned earlier in my speech during the motion of thanks to the Governor address, regarding the Chief Minister's Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, sir, our state has emerged as one of the top 3 concert destinations in India. This is a matter of great pride for all of us. Mr. Chairman, sir, I sincerely hope the government will continue to build on this momentum and work toward making Meghalaya the music capital of the country. In this regard, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to place one suggestion before the House. A suggestion that reflects the heartfelt desire of gospel singers across the state, sir. I propose that the government consider organizing one major annual platform exclusively for gospel singers, sir. Such a platform would not only nurture talent, but also strengthen a spiritual and cultural fabric. I'm confident that our people will be greatly blessed through this initiative, sir. So when we speak about sports, I would also like to express my appreciation to the government for its continued support to our sports persons. I particularly thank the government for recognizing Srimati Margaret Pathau as a district ambassador for the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao initiative. Srimati Margaret Pathau brought great pride to our state by winning a gold medal at the 43rd World Arm Wrestling Championship in 2022 held in Turkey. As a public representative from Ribhai district, sir, I'm very proud for Srimati Margaret Pathau. She is also a 5-time national champion of champions in arm wrestling. And she remains the only woman from our state to have achieved the distinction of becoming a world champion in arm wrestling. Sir, I would like to suggest that the government, if the government could consider recognizing her as a state ambassador. Such recognition would inspire countless young girls and boys in our state, Meghalaya. One more point, sir. Happy to see that our pineapple were very popular even in Delhi. I would like to talk about promoting of pineapple plantation in Ribhai district and in the state as a whole. Sir, I am truly delighted to learn that our pineapple have been highly appreciated and gained popularity in the country. This recognition is a matter of great pride and encouragement for our farmers, sir, whose hard work and dedication have made this possible. Ribhai district remains one of the most suitable regions to further promote and expand pineapple cultivation among our people. As we are all aware, Nongrwai village under the Nongpo constituency, sir, is one of the leading areas for pineapple cultivation, known for producing some of the sweetest pineapples. I would also like to highlight that That village, I think this is new, it's very new for all of us in this August house. This Thatch village is fall under my constituency and is equally suitable and holds immense potential for pineapple plantation with produce of comparable quality and taste, sir. Therefore, I humbly urge the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly consider this matter and extend support toward promoting and strengthening pineapple cultivation in these areas. Such initiatives will greatly benefit our farmers and contribute to the overall development of the district and the state as a whole. Last but not the least, sir, just 1 minute. During my speech on the motion to the governor address, I've already mentioned about broom grass farmers. One more point, sir, that I want to share in this August House regarding the ginger farmers. Sir, the government has done tremendous work for our farmers through many initiatives. I have one more suggestion, sir. And also, I urge the government to kindly do something for our ginger farmers, sir. If you can set up more processing unit, and also, as what we did for our broom grass farmers, we constituted a marketing board. So, in this regard also, sir, I would like to suggest the government to let us constitute a marketing board for a ginger farmer. Let me come to conclusion, sir.
Kindly, why not use
Constitute a marketing board as we have done for broomstick. This also, sir, I hope that it will be a blessing for a ginger farmer in the state of Meghalaya. With this few words, Mr. Chairman, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to participate on this general discussion on the budget. With these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, up, ruko. Schwaba finchet da kajo shikajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up schwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go! Coming! How much you honk, yeah? Come on, we should leave. Chill. It's just family. Exactly. Or ghar wale hi late. By the way, how am I looking? Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. Sab aa gaya. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ, क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम।
Skoda.